Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin with clean, dry edges because oil prevents gel hold. Once washed and towel dried, dispense a pea-sized amount. Remember, less is easier to add than remove. Use your fingertip or a small brush to place the gel directly on short hairs at the hairline, then smooth outward. You want product on strands, not just skin, so gently press and stroke to lay hairs flat. Make sure to work from the center toward the temples for an even foundation. Once the gel is applied, shape the edges with a soft toothbrush or an edge brush to create swoops or baby hairs. You'll see why a light touch matters. Press and hold each section for 10 to 20 seconds so the gel can tack and form a bond. If you need more control, add tiny additional dots and sculpt. Once done, avoid heavy layering because buildup causes stiffness and flaking. Make sure to blend any visible excess by patting with a finger for a natural finish. You'll finish by gently laying a silk scarf over the edges and holding it for 5 to 10 minutes to fully set the style. This increases longevity and reduces transfer. Once removed, check for any stiff or flaky spots. Use a damp cotton swab to soften and lift flakes rather than scrubbing. If you notice scalp irritation or excessive dryness, stop using the product and rinse thoroughly, sometimes switching to a lighter formula or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.